the pool, and then the lake, and then this is us, 2302. So you come in through the door. It's quite similar to, I guess, the moderate and value resorts at Disney that we've stayed in. So we've got a chair, we've got 2 big beds and a light. This is the map of the resort that they gave us at check-in. And then you've got a key card to be able to get into the room. Travel day outfit, please bear with. So we have a desk, chair, there's a trash can and a mirror. That's the door to the entrance, and then you've got a big window, that's the view to the pool, and that's the aircon unit, I guess. I guess it would heat if you needed it to. Massive TV, 2 drawers, a wardrobe, I believe, oh, we have a safe here in between the beds, and then I think there's charging sockets on the alarm clock and on the lamp and the phone. Then you've got sliding doors to go through. Here again. Some sort of coffee machine with bits and amenities to do with that. We have a microwave and a fridge. So that's for your storage. Then we have a sink, mirror, hairdryer, spare toilet roll and some more towels. They did give us some toiletries because I was a bit like, I'm not sure whether we would get anything, but there's shampoo, conditioner and a soap. Then you come through the door to the bathroom, toilet, another soap, bath and a shower. So very similar to Coronado or wherever we stayed, isn't it? Or even the value one. So yeah, very nice. Nice artwork too.